In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a newsletter in Canva. So first open Canva and type newsletter here. Now Canva has a wide variety of newsletter templates to choose from. You can find one that fits your style and needs. Let's choose this one. You can actually customize the templates. Just click on this box. And here you can change the texts, the fonts, you can change the color, and you can actually add images. Once you're happy with your design, it's time to add your content. Just click on the text box and type. You can use this for your product announcements, event invitations, and so much more. Once you're done, you can now publish it and send it to your subscribers. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.